In today's video, we will try to learn about the cost center and cost category with a practical example. In the last video, we will discuss about the practical example. So now we will discuss the how to put the entries in our tally prime. For this, I will create a company like ABCD Limited, which we put in our example. So go with F3, then create company. Then put the name of the company A, B, C, D Limited. Press enter. It will be West Bengal for my. Press enter. Accept yes. Press enter. Press enter. For now GST I will not need GST, so made it no. Press enter. Accept yes. Now ABCD Limited is selected. Then press F12 and go with the vouchers. So go with the vouchers and press F4 for contra entry, because we will made a cash transaction like 7,500 head cashier of the ABCD Limited transfer 7,500 to petty cashier. So we will made this entry. For this entry the cash will be the credit, so to cash, here you can see the cash, put the amount 7,500, press enter, and buy will be the petty cash. We can see we don't have any petty cash, so we will select create one, press alt C for creating, put the name petty cash, press enter. It will under cash in hand. Press enter, accept yes. You can see the transaction is complete. Now we will make a change. Press F12 on your keyboard. You can see the configuration here is open. So now we will make some changes. Use credit and debit instead of to and by. We will made it yes. For my save one yes, I want to skip date field during voucher creation. I will made it no. Press enter. Yes. So the balance as on voucher date, made it yes. Allocation no. Auto check, it will be no. Select check range, it will be no. For these entries I will make these changes, so made these changes as I made. So print check after saving voucher, it will also be no. So check these two are yes and then the last one is no. So please check it out very carefully, then press enter. Put the amount 7,500. Sorry, it will be debit. So it will, now you can see the 7,500 is selected. Put, if you want to put narration, then put narration. I don't want to, so press enter, accept yes. The voucher entry for cash transfer to petty cash, those entry is made. Now we will try to enable the cost center and cost category. For this we have to go with gateway of tally, then press F11, then select the company, then press enter. I want to see more features, so we'll made it yes. You can see the more features is shown. So we'll make some entries like enable cost center. This is must to enable this. Enable cost center, it will be yes. So cost center will be enabled. Press enter, accept yes. The cost center is enabled. Now we will check the cost category. Then come with gateway of tally. Then go with create. Then go with show more here. Then go with cost category. You can see the cost category is here. Now we will go with create new. Put the name of the first cost category is petty cash expenses because we took it as example. Press yes. Allocate revenue items yes and non-revenue no. Press enter, accept yes. In this video we will learn three things. One is how to transfer that amount to petty cashier. Then we will learn how to enable our cost center and how to enable our cost category. In the next video we will make some entries of cost centers, namely like printing paper, postal courier, pen, pencil, eraser, etc. So these entries we will make in our next video. Thank you for watching.